The digital era has ushered in a plethora of opportunities, and LinkedIn stands as a prime example of a platform designed to connect professionals, open doors, and expand career horizons. However, as its influence grows, concerns about the potential negative impact on careers arise. In this video, we will delve into the intriguing question: has LinkedIn ruined your career? While it may not be a straightforward yes or no answer, we will explore both sides of the coin to understand the complexities involved. The hook. Imagine waking up one day to find that your LinkedIn profile has been scrutinized by a potential employer, causing them to question your suitability for a job opportunity. Could LinkedIn be ruining your career prospects without you even realizing it? The advantages of LinkedIn. LinkedIn inarguably has revolutionized the way professionals interact, connect, and seek opportunities. Here are some ways it has positively impacted careers. Networking. LinkedIn enables individuals to connect with like-minded professionals, industry experts, and potential employers, fostering vast network opportunities that can lead to career growth. Job hunting. The platform serves as a convenient job search tool, providing tailored job recommendations and direct application options. Personal branding. Through well-crafted profiles, users can establish a strong personal brand, showcasing their achievements, skills, and expertise, enhancing their professional credibility. Industry insights. LinkedIn offers a space for professionals to engage in discussions, share insights, and stay updated with the latest trends, further enriching their knowledge. The dark side of LinkedIn. Despite its advantages, LinkedIn is not without its drawbacks. Let's explore some of the potential pitfalls. Unintended exposure. LinkedIn profiles are visible to the public, leaving individuals vulnerable to identify theft, scams, and unwanted solicitations. Constant pressure to appear successful. The platform's emphasis on achievements and accomplishments can lead to a constant need to maintain an image of success, potentially causing stress and burnout. Oversaturation of connections. The focus on accumulating a large number of connections may lead to superficial networking and dilution of meaningful professional relationships. Misrepresentation and image crafting. Some users may exaggerate their skills and accomplishments, leading to a distorted view of their capabilities. So, has LinkedIn ruined your career? The answer is not definitive. Like any powerful tool, LinkedIn's impact to your career depends on how you use it. Used wisely, it can be a catalyst for professional growth and development, opening doors to unimaginable opportunities. Conversely, misuse can lead to a misrepresentation of oneself and potential career setbacks. To make LinkedIn work in your favor, consider the following tips. Be authentic. Present your achievements and skills truthfully, focusing on genuine connections rather than a mere numbers game. Network with purpose. Cultivate meaningful relationships with professionals who share similar interests and goals, rather than simply collecting contacts. Stay vigilant. Keep your profile updated and periodically review your privacy settings to protect yourselves from potential risks. Balance your online presence. Remember that LinkedIn is just one part of your professional identity. Cultivate a strong offline presence as well to complement your digital image. Ultimately, LinkedIn's impact on your career lies in your hands. Use it as a tool for growth, networking, and sharing knowledge, and it can be a powerful ally in your career journey. Embrace its potential while being mindful of its drawbacks, and you'll harness the true power of this digital double-edged sword.